So till now we have seen the different nutrients present in our food and what are the sources of different type of nutrients, but how you will determine that a particular food has particular type of nutrients? For that we have a taste of protein, taste of fat and taste of starch, that means carbohydrate. So to perform a taste of starch, take a small quantity of food item, maybe potato or sugar, grind it well, put it into in a utensil, or if you have a test tube, you can take in test tube. Then add a little amount of water and 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution. Just shake it well. After some time you will see a blue black color appear in the food, on the food item. This indicate that starch is present in that food item. This is the taste of starch, which assure a presence of carbohydrate in any food component. The second test which we can perform in lab is taste of protein. For taste of protein, we will take a small quantity of food item. Just take this food item in a test tube. So before taking this food item in test tube, make a paste of this food item. Then add 10 drops of water in that food item and shake it well. Now take a dropper and add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution, CuSO4. Then again shake it. After that add 10 drop of caustic soda solution. Again shake it. After some time you will see a violet color will appear in test tube. This shows that protein is present in that food item. Now how we can perform a test of fat? This test is very easy and you can perform at home also. Take a small quantity of food item, wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. Take care that the paper does not tear. Now straighten the paper and observe it carefully. Do you see an oily patch on that paper? This oil is actually fat, and this shows that fat is present in this food item. Many a time you have heard from your parents that eat properly or you will become weak. Yes, this is because if we will not take balanced diet, we will become sick. So what is balanced diet? A diet which contains adequate amount of all nutrients including roughage and water. So eat a balanced diet so that you get every nutrients and in your day-to-day life, and you will become healthy. So what will happen if you will not get balanced diet? Then you will face a deficiency disease. Okay, so what is deficiency disease? Disease that caused due to lack of particular nutrients for a long period of time. Suppose that you are not eating any food which consists of vitamin A. So what will happen? Your vision become weak. If you will not have vitamin A in a long period of time, your vision become weak. Or similarly, if you will not take vitamin C for a long period of time, you will have a skin problem. So you need to take all vitamins at adequate amount. That means eat a balanced diet unless you will face a deficiency disease. So what are the deficiency diseases can happen if you will not take the proper nutrients? If you will not take vitamin A, then you will face loss of vision, and the symptom will be poor vision or complete loss of vision. If you will not take vitamin B1, you will suffer from beriberi. And what happens in beriberi? It will weaken your muscles and you will feel a very little amount of energy. What happens if you will not take vitamin C for a long period of time? You will face a disease called scurvy. What happens in this? You will face bleeding gums and your wound will take longer time to heal. What will happen if you will not take vitamin D for a long period of time? You will suffer from the disease called rickets. And what happens in ricket? The bones become soft and it will pain. What happens if you will not take calcium for a long period of time? So then you will see the problem of bone and tooth decay. As you know that our bone and teeth are made of calcium. So they need calcium to become strong. So if you not take calcium for a long period of time, your bone become weak and your teeth will decay. What happens if you not take iodine for a long period of time? Then you will have a disease called goiter, in which the gland in the neck appear swollen. What happens if you not take iron for a long period of time? Then you will face a disease called anemia, which lead to weakness. That's all in this chapter. Thank you.